Hello everyone, and welcome back to Masterful Tips and Tricks. In today's video, we are diving into the realm of time management, unleashing strategies, tips, and techniques to help you make the most of your valuable time. So without further ado, let's get started. Have you ever wondered how some people effortlessly breeze through their tasks while others struggle with overwhelming to-do lists? It all comes down to one key skill: time management. In this segment, we explore what time management truly means and why it's so crucial in our lives. Let's dive in. Now that we understand the importance of time management, let's explore some proven strategies that can help us master this skill. We'll uncover the power of the Pomodoro technique, embrace the eat that frog philosophy, discover the getting things done method, and tap into the magic of the 80/20ths rule. These strategies will revolutionize the way you approach your tasks and boost your productivity levels. Building on the strategies we just discussed, it's time to unveil our top 6 time management tips that you can implement right away. From creating a plan and limiting distractions to establishing a personalized routine and taking strategic breaks, these tips will keep you focused, energized, and on track to accomplish your goals. An essential aspect of effective time management is organization. In this segment, we explore how organizing your physical workspace and digital environment can minimize distractions, reduce stress, and enhance your overall productivity. Discover the joy of working in a clutter-free, well-organized space. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to mastering time management. By implementing these strategies, tips, and techniques, you'll unlock a world of increased productivity, reduced stress, and greater satisfaction in your daily life. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay focused, stay organized, and make every moment count. Goodbye!